1 cup cooking oil. Ginger and garlic paste raisin and a drach, a half teaspoon. Mix it well. Add to green chilies, Hari mirch. One kilogram chicken. Leave for 15 minutes. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Add 5 tomatoes chopped. Crushed red chili cutty mirch. Add haldi and zara powder. Add black pepper, kali mirch 1 teaspoon. Leave for 5 minutes. Add yogurt a half cup. Mix it well. Add desi ghee 1 teaspoon. Add 3 green chilies Hari mirch. Cook for 5 minutes. Add green coriander hara dhania.